how to delete invite message on Instagram. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from your home page, navigate to your chat page by tapping on this chat icon from the top right corner. Now once you get to your chat page, open the conversation where you have the invite message. And here I have this invite message right here. Now if you tap and hold on that message, you will not be able to find any option to unsend or delete. Instead, you will only find two options, one as to forward and another as to delete for you. Now to delete this from both sides, you have to log into your Instagram account in your Chrome browser. So for that, open up the Chrome in your device and here search for instagram.com and then log into your account. Now in your web browser, once you're logged in and you land on your home page again, navigate to the chat page by tapping on your chat icon from the bottom right corner. Now again open up the conversation where you have the invite message. And here I have this invite message. After that, tap on that message. And then you will notice a three dot icon in that chat. Tap on that and there you get an option to unsend. Simply tap on unsend and then again tap on unsend. Again do it same with this chat as well. Tap on three dot icon, then tap on unsend and then again tap on unsend. And there you go, you have deleted or removed the invite message and Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.